Hey everybody, welcome back. I was at my local Dollar Tree and I found something really interesting. So have you heard of the Neutrogena Hydro Boost line? It was wildly popular, it still is, and it has hyaluronic acid in it. Well, I found what I think is a dupe, and it's called Hydro Plus by a company called XtraCare. And this is their body gel cream. And just going to pump it here. So it has a little bit of a tint. It has the same, almost the same smell and consistency of the Neutrogena. It glides on my skin, feels very soothing. So this is the one product. Now, if I was blindfolded, I might not be able to tell the difference, but I'll tell you the difference at the end of the video. So the next product they have is the Hydro Plus Water Gel. Now this one is by a different company, and I can't even make this out. It's so tiny. It sucks getting old. Any case, it looks very similar to the Neutrogena Hydro Boost jar. If you look inside, it has the same color, almost the same smell, same jelly-like consistency. So they did a really good job with this. This feels really nice and silky on the skin. And now the last product is their lip oil. And it looks like it's a little bit of a tint, but it's not. It goes on clear. And this I've been using for a while. And I do like it, but you have to reapply. So I tend to make this a nighttime routine for me. And it's not glossy. It's just a basic lip oil. Nothing fancy about it. So now, both products contain water, glycerin, and sodium hyaluronate. Now the Dollar Tree version contains less expensive silicones and emulsifiers to get that same texture. However, the Neutrogena formulation adds amino acids and urea to extend hydration. But if you're looking for a budget moisturizer that has the same look, feel, and smell as the Neutrogena brand, and don't mind reapplying, then the Dollar Tree version is for you. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on new videos. See you in the next one.